Let us proceed to the blinking process and the analysis of the image set. In order to blink the image set, all you have to do is click on the icon with two blue dices in it. You will also see that there is a small box with a number in it besides this blue icon. This particular box decides the speed with which your image set can be blinked. You will understand what I am talking about in a moment. Click on the blue icon. You will observe that a new box has appeared. This box has an image which is divided into 16 small boxes by horizontal and vertical grid lines. This particular box is moving. Now, if you adjust the speed in the small box with a number in it, you will observe that the speed with which this image is blinking is slowing down as I'm reducing the number, and is increasing as I'm increasing the number. Adjust the blink speed as per your comfort.